this was my job before we reiterated with the sign shop and all that. I've been doing it for years. I've been doing it for a while. Protect the traveling public. That's our thing, because those are the ones that the taxpayers are our salary. So we got to do all we can do to protect the traveling public. Right. We all get an alert because something is happening. And they will see the end results when it come down to the nighttime raining, snow, and all that. Then they'll see the reason why we're doing what we are doing.